Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Mario. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off at the top and let's draw the face. Let's draw an oval for the nose. Then on top, let's draw two curves up and back down for the eyes. Then underneath, let's curve it back into the nose. Now let's hop in and let's draw an oval in the bottom corner here. And another one inside. And then another one at the top. And then color the rest of the pupils in black. And lastly, for the eyes, let's draw the eyebrows by drawing a curve on top. And then another curve on top. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's hop down and draw the mustache. Let's start next to the nose and let's draw two curves out. And let's curve it back down underneath. Now from each side, let's draw two bumps meeting in the center. And that's it for the mustache. Now let's hop out and let's draw the shape of the face. Let's start on each side and let's draw a curve down next to the mustache here. And then a curve across the bottom. Now from both ends, let's draw a curve up. And then on top of the cheeks, another one next to it for the sideburns. Now across the top, let's draw a curve across for the brim of the hat. Then from both ends, let's draw a small bump up. And another curve across. Next, let's hop to the sides and let's draw two bumps for the ears. And then inside each one, let's draw a curve down from the top. And a bump underneath. Now to finish off the head here, let's draw the top of the hat. Let's start on top of the ears and let's draw a curve up. And close off the top with a curve across. And lastly for the hat here, let's hop in and let's draw an oval. And then we're going to draw the letter M inside. We'll start with a V-shaped point. Angle it down on each end. another point underneath, 2 more angles, and close off the bottom of each side. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and draw the body. Let's start under the head and let's draw a V-shaped point down in the center. And then an angle down on each side. And then hop out and another set of angles. And let's close off each side of the collar. Now on each side, we're going to draw the straps of the overalls by bringing it out and then 2 lines down on each side. And then close off the bottom with a curve. Next, inside each of the straps, let's add a circle at the bottom. Now in between the straps here, let's draw a line across. And then a small line down in the center on top. Now let's add the sides of the body by drawing 2 lines down. And then let's hop inside and let's draw a curve down and out on each side. Then add 2 curves across the center. Now inside this top section, we're going to add a pocket by drawing a line across, 2 lines down, and a curve at the bottom. And that's it for the torso. Now let's hop out and draw the arms. Let's start on top at the shoulders and let's draw a curve down on each side. And then curve it back in at the bottom. Now for the tops of the gloves, let's draw a bump down and then curve it back in. Now underneath, let's draw a curve down and up for the thumbs. And then a small bump going out at the top. Now we're going to hop out and let's draw a curve down. And then let's curve it back in for the rest of the hands. And that's it for the arms. Now let's hop back in and draw the legs. Underneath the waistband in the center, let's draw a line down and curve it up on the right side. Then underneath, let's draw 2 angles down like this. And 2 more lines down for the outside of the legs. And then a curve at the bottom to close off each pant leg. Lastly, at the bottom here, let's draw the shoes. Let's draw a line down in the center, underneath each leg, a bump out, and a line across to close off each shoe. Lastly, inside, let's add one more line across at the bottom. And that's it for Mario. Now let's quickly color it in. And done! Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!